Welcome to our countdown of the 25 best high-protein, low-carb foods you need to try. You want to pack on muscle, trim down, or are you just tired of serving up pathetic excuses for meals? These ingredients are your secret weapons. We're talking lean proteins, healthy fats, and enough flavor to make your taste buds sing. Whether you're a seasoned chef or can barely boil water, these foods are about to change your entire culinary game. Get ready to ditch the carbs, crank up the protein, and unlock a healthier, more delicious you. Let's get started. First up, the king of the kitchen, chicken breast. This lean protein powerhouse is packed with flavor and so versatile it's almost a crime. Grilled, baked, roasted, or even shredded, chicken breast takes center stage in any dish. Don't even think about serving me some dry, rubbery chicken. We're talking juicy, flavorful perfection. Marinate it, season it well, and cook it right. You'll be amazed at what this lean protein can do. Next up, we're diving into the rich, buttery goodness of salmon. This heart-healthy fish is bursting with omega-3 fatty acids and protein, making it a top contender in our protein-packed lineup. Pan-seared, grilled, or baked, salmon is a culinary chameleon that adapts to any cuisine. Don't overcook it. You want that beautiful pink center, flaky and bursting with flavor. Now let's talk about Greek yogurt, a creamy, tangy delight that's a protein powerhouse. This gut-healthy option is loaded with probiotics and protein, making it a versatile ingredient for both sweet and savory dishes. Ditch those sugary yogurts and embrace the tangy goodness of Greek yogurt. Top it with berries and nuts for a protein-packed breakfast, or use it as a healthy substitute in dips and sauces. Eggs, the breakfast champion. These little wonders are a nutritional powerhouse boasting a complete protein profile and essential nutrients. Scrambled, poached, or fried, eggs are a versatile and delicious way to start your day. Don't believe the cholesterol myths. Eggs are a nutritional powerhouse that should be a staple in your diet. Experiment with different cooking methods and discover the endless possibilities of this versatile ingredient. Cottage cheese, often overlooked but never underestimated. This low-carb, high-protein hero is packed with casein protein, a slow-digesting protein that keeps you feeling fuller for longer. Don't be put off by its texture. Cottage cheese is incredibly versatile. Mix it with fruit and nuts for a satisfying snack or use it in savory dishes like lasagna or stuffed peppers. Tuna, the ultimate convenience food. This protein-packed powerhouse is perfect for a quick and easy meal. Whether you prefer it fresh or canned, tuna is a versatile ingredient that can be enjoyed in salads, sandwiches, or even straight out of the can. Don't settle for bland tuna. Spice things up with herbs, spices, and a squeeze of lemon juice. Get creative and explore the endless possibilities of this convenient protein source. Turkey breast, the lean and mean protein source that's perfect for a healthy and satisfying meal. Low in fat and high in protein, turkey breast is a delicious and versatile alternative to chicken. Don't relegate turkey to Thanksgiving. This lean protein deserves a place on your plate year-round. Roast it, grill it, or slice it thin for sandwiches. The possibilities are endless. Tofu, the plant-based protein source that's taking the culinary world by storm. This versatile ingredient is a blank canvas for flavor, absorbing the flavors of whatever you cook it with. Don't be afraid of tofu. It's all about how you prepare it. Press it to remove excess water, then marinate, bake, stir-fry, or grill it to perfection. Almonds, the perfect on-the-go snack that's packed with protein, healthy fats, and fiber. These crunchy nuts are a great source of energy and will keep you feeling full and satisfied. Don't underestimate the power of a handful of almonds. They're a great addition to trail mixes, yogurt bowls, or enjoyed on their own as a healthy snack. Whey protein powder, the ultimate post-workout recovery fuel. This convenient protein source is quickly absorbed by the body, helping to repair and rebuild muscles after a tough workout. Don't limit yourself to shakes. Whey protein powder can be added to smoothies, oatmeal, or even baked goods for an extra protein boost. Beef, a classic protein source that's packed with iron and other essential nutrients. From lean cuts like sirloin to flavorful ribeye, beef is a versatile ingredient that can be enjoyed in countless ways. Don't overcook it. Cook beef to your desired level of doneness for maximum flavor and tenderness. Pair it with roasted vegetables or a side salad for a complete and satisfying meal. Pork chops, a lean and flavorful protein source that's often overlooked. These juicy chops are incredibly versatile and can be grilled, pan-fried, or baked to perfection. Don't overcook them. Pork chops are best cooked to an internal temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit for maximum juiciness. Season them well and enjoy their rich flavor. Edamame, the fun and nutritious snack that's packed with plant-based protein and fiber. These young soybeans are a great source of energy and can be enjoyed steamed, boiled, or roasted. Don't be afraid to get your hands dirty. Pop these beans straight into your mouth for a satisfying snack or add them to salads, stir-fries, or soups for an extra protein boost. Shrimp, the low-calorie, high-protein seafood star that's bursting with flavor. These versatile crustaceans can be grilled, sautéed, or added to soups, stews, and pasta dishes. Don't overcook them. Shrimp cook quickly and are best enjoyed when they're pink and opaque. Season them simply with salt, pepper, and a squeeze of lemon juice for a light and flavorful meal. Lentils, the tiny but mighty legumes that are packed with fiber and protein. These versatile legumes are a great source of energy and can be used in soups, stews, salads, and even as a meat substitute. Don't be intimidated by lentils. They're incredibly easy to cook and require no pre-soaking. Add them to your favorite recipes for an extra boost of protein and fiber. Quinoa, the ancient grain that's a complete protein source, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids. This gluten-free grain is a great alternative to rice or couscous and can be used in a variety of dishes. Don't be afraid to experiment with quinoa. It has a slightly nutty flavor and a fluffy texture that makes it a delicious and versatile ingredient. Pumpkin seeds, the often discarded treasure that's packed with magnesium and protein. These crunchy seeds are a great source of healthy fats and can be enjoyed roasted, salted, or added to trail mixes. Don't throw away those pumpkin seeds. Roast them with your favorite spices for a healthy and satisfying snack. Chia seeds, the tiny seeds that are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and protein. These nutritional powerhouses can be added to smoothies, yogurt, or even used to make chia seed pudding. Don't underestimate the power of chia seeds. They absorb liquid and create a gel-like texture, making them a great addition to both sweet and savory dishes. Hemp seeds, another complete protein source that's packed with nutrients. These nutty-flavored seeds are a great addition to smoothies, yogurt, or sprinkled on salads. Don't be afraid of hemp seeds. They come from the same plant as marijuana but contain very low levels of THC. Enjoy their nutritional benefits without any psychoactive effects. Peanuts, technically legumes but often referred to as nuts, are a great source of protein, healthy fats, and fiber. Enjoy them roasted, salted, or in the form of peanut butter. Don't be afraid of peanut butter. Choose natural peanut butter with no added sugar or oil for a healthy and satisfying snack. Tempeh, a fermented soybean product that's a great source of protein and probiotics. This nutty-flavored ingredient can be grilled, baked, or crumbled into stir-fries. Don't be intimidated by tempeh. It's a versatile ingredient that can be used in a variety of dishes. Marinate it for added flavor. Sardines, small but mighty fish that are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, calcium, and protein. Enjoy them grilled, baked, or straight from the can. Don't be put off by their strong flavor. Sardines are a nutritional powerhouse and a sustainable seafood choice. Seitan, a plant-based protein source made from wheat gluten. This chewy and versatile ingredient can be used in stir-fries, sandwiches, or as a meat substitute. Don't be afraid to experiment with seitan. It's a great source of protein for those following a vegan or vegetarian diet. Bison, a lean and flavorful red meat that's lower in fat and calories than beef. Enjoy it grilled, roasted, or ground into burgers. Don't be afraid to try something new. Bison is a delicious and nutritious alternative to beef. Duck breast, a rich and flavorful protein indulgence that's higher in fat but oh so delicious. Enjoy it pan-seared, roasted, or smoked. Don't overcook it. Duck breast is best cooked to a rosy pink center. Let it rest before slicing to allow the juices to redistribute. There you have it, 25 high-protein, low-carb foods that will transform your diet and tantalize your taste buds. From lean chicken breasts to the omega-3 richness of salmon, the power to elevate your meals is in your hands. Remember, eating healthy doesn't have to be boring. Get creative, experiment with flavors, and find what works best for you. And for God's sake, season your food. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more healthy eating tips and recipes. Let us know in the comments which high-protein, low-carb food is your favorite.